to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are opening up my BoxyCharm base box for June 2022. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer and this is my husband Aaron. We love opening up subscription boxes, and on my channel I love doing and talking everything about makeup, and I also talk about mental health issues. If you're into any of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So, like I said, this is the base box. It now is about $30. I'll have a link, my referral link, down in the description box if you are interested in signing up for Boxy. I would really appreciate it if you used my link. I don't get anything but like charms from using that link. You know it's the base box when you see the red in your box. You get to choose, you get 5 full items, and you get to choose one of your items from this box.
One of your items chooses you.
Yeah. So, the theme this month is BoxyCharm Express Yourself. Ooh. And let me see. Let me take out the item that I know that I chose. And it is the Violet Voss Sun-Kissed Summer. So I already bought this in the Boxy drop shop, but let me go ahead and take this out and show it to you. Go ahead and read about it.
Violet Voss Sun-Kissed Summer Eyeshadow Pressed Pigment Palette. Achieve the most iconic summer looks year-round with universally flattering warm neutrals, from sunny golds to blazing hot rose golds. Experience exquisite formulas from ultra-smooth mattes to dazzling metallics that layer and blend seamlessly with one another. MSRP $37.
Do you think you're going to want this palette?
Oh, kind of sparkly. I'm just getting like a bunch of new ones though.
Yeah, let me go get my palette and swatch it for y'all. Okay, I'm going to put this palette in a giveaway, but this is my palette right here, and I'm going to swatch. I have used this palette once. I really, really like it.
Lots of gold and sparklies.
Yeah, it has some nice yellows and browns in it. I haven't really used the berries in here yet, but look at those. Look at them.
Look at them. Behold.
Oh, that's a good color. I don't know about that cool down color. But I love yellows and browns together a lot. So there is that palette. And like I said, I will put this untouched one into a giveaway since Aaron doesn't want it. But he probably has these colors in another palette, probably.
Oh, I would say so.
Okay, the next thing in here is, oh, I never get anything from Dr. Brandt in any of my boxes.
Now you can't say that anymore.
But it's a primer.
It's all changed. Dr. Brandt's Blacklight Primer. Oh, sorry, Backlight, not Blacklight.
What is backlight?
I don't know. It means shining from behind, I think. Formulated to fade out your biggest beauty boundaries, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. The antioxidant-rich formula gently blends into the skin, providing a smoother appearance and prolonging the wear time of makeup. MSRP $38.
I'm sorry, my hands are just shaky, y'all. Okay. Can you read the ingredients of that?
Whoa, those are tiny. Water, trimethylpropane, tricaprylate,
Does it have dimethicone in it?
pentaerythritol disgusted, tetraisostearate, neopentyl glycol diethylhexanoate, propanidol, bisteryl dimethicone.
Okay, so there's some dimethicone in it.
That is a lot of chemicals.
I just need something to fill in my pores. So I guess I will give this a go.
That will gently fade out your pores, not fill in your pores.
Is that what it says?
That's what it says.
Okay.
Gently fade.
Okay, so I will give this a go. A go.
Well, give it a go then.
Wait, let me see this. Fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. Smoother appearance.
Fine lines and wrinkles and pores. Oh my. Fine lines and wrinkles and pores. Oh my.
Let me know if any of y'all have tried this before. I'm interested to know. Okay, the next thing I am getting is from Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish.
Oh my.
Face and body.
An indulgent polishing scrub powered by turmeric. What is turmeric anyway?
I always thought
Whatever
it was like
it powers
I always thought it was
things.
like a spice that you used in cooking.
Could be. To visibly brighten skin and reveal a natural looking glow. MSRP $38. A lot of things in here that are $38 and $37.
Okay, I love a good face scrub. So I'm down for that. I almost bought this in the Boxy drop shop, but I'm glad I got it. Okay, so that's 2 skincare, 1 makeup, or I don't know. Do y'all count primers as makeup? I don't know. I guess I count them as makeup. Okay, the next thing I got is Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. Okay, I like sheet masks.
Stay calm, don't panic.
From Give Them a Lala.
Give them Lala. Give them Lala skin. Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. Soothe and soften your skin in a flash with the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. Infused with naturally calming ingredients like aloe, chamomile, and licorice root. This sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in just 1 use.
How many are there?
It does not say. On the front, maybe?
Okay, we're gonna figure this out just a second. Okay, there are 4 masks in here. And they're that size. So, remove sheet mask from its packaging and unfold, smooth over clean face and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Gently remove the mask and massage any remaining product onto your skin. Only 1 use only. Discard sheet mask after use. Okay, so at least you're getting more than 1.
4 masks. And the number of the masks is 4. Not 3, not 5, 4.
Okay. And the last thing is a makeup product I am guessing from Kismet.
Polished lip plumping gloss.
Okay.
As sweet and soft as a baby, this lip gloss offers up the ideal pinky nude pout. The perfect everyday gloss. Plump your lips and reduce wrinkles in 1 simple swipe. This whisper lightweight treatment moisturizes and provides a natural glossy finish.
Oh, cute. I like it.
No babies were harmed during the manufacture of this product.
That's the kind of color I like. kind of like what I'm wearing today. Yeah, okay. So,
I feel there was an adequate level of charm in this box.
yeah, let's go over everything. Can you add everything up?
Can I?
Okay, so I got the Violet Voss Sun-Kissed Summer palette. The only reason I bought this in a drop shop was because of what happened with that Dress Luce palette, because I didn't get it. So I was afraid they were going to tell me that they weren't going to send this to me. So I went ahead and bought it in drop shop as well. So, but I got it, and I thought, what's the worst that could happen? I'll have 2 palettes. Maybe I can give one to Aaron. Maybe I can give it away in a giveaway. So that's why I got 2. So I got that. I got the Dr. Brandt primer. I don't love getting primers in boxes, but that's the risk you take.
They love being in your boxes, though. They're so happy.
I got the Kismet Lip Plumping Gloss. I don't put a lot of stock in these lip plumping things. I hear that the lip injection works, but I'm too afraid to try that one.
It burns, it burns.
I got the Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish, which I'm excited about. And I guess that's the 5 things, because I just have my palette here.
Lovely.
So how much did this come to?
$161.
Well, that's pretty good. Because I think they promise you $125 or $150 worth of product. Somewhere in between there. And, okay, if I had to rate this box between 1 and 5, I'd give it about 3.5 stars. Why? Is that scandalous? Okay, let me know
down below
if you got your BoxyCharm. And are we Boxy twins? Did you get anything different from me? Did you have you tried any of these products? Do you like them? Do you hate them?
When you opened up the box, did a hand come out and try to grab you and you're like, die, 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 die?
Let me know. Okay. And give this video a big thumbs up. And
whatever size your thumbs are. I mean, you know, we're not judging.
And yeah, leave a comment. And we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you're not, we hope something comes along and kickstarts your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day today. Check me out on my other socials down in the description box below. And if you are having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And yeah, I will see you in another video tomorrow, and just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.